Today we're checking out the C&L 4-inch single exhaust system with a polished tip and a side exit for the 2015 to 2020 2.7 liter EcoBoost F-150s. If you're looking to wake up your 2.7 with a deeper exhaust tone and a more aggressive sound, then this 4-inch single exhaust system with a polished tip and a side exit is going to be a solid option that's worth looking into. This system is designed to enhance both the sound and performance of your F-150. On our Wake the Neighbor scale, this is going to earn a 4 out of 5 wrenches, since if you can see here, this is a straight through muffler with not much muffling going on at all. The free-flowing design reduces back pressure, allowing your EcoBoost engine to breathe more freely with its straight-through perforated muffler, which can improve throttle response and potentially even fuel efficiency. One standout feature is going to be the large 4-inch diameter piping that comes with a noticeable step up in exhaust volume and tone. It delivers a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note without being overly loud or droning during highway cruising. The side exit design mimics the classic truck style and gives your F-150 a sportier, more purposeful appearance, while the bright, polished exhaust tip adds a clean, finished look that stands out against the body of the truck. When it comes to the construction, this is made from durable 409 stainless steel piping, and it has a polished 304 stainless steel exhaust tip. This system is built to resist corrosion and handle the demands of daily driving and tough weather conditions. The mandrel bent tubing ensures smooth airflow, and the system is fully TIG welded for strength and long-term reliability.
As far as pricing goes, this is going to come in at around that $450 price range.
This exhaust provides impressive style and sound at a more affordable price point than many premium systems, making it a great value for F-150 owners looking for an upgrade without going over budget. The installation on this is pretty straightforward, but it's going to earn a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 3 hours of your time. No cutting or welding is required, and the bolts and clamps are included in the kit. It's going to bolt directly to your factory connection points to simplify that install process. Now, let's see exactly how that goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Tools we'll be using today: ratchets, preferably a flex head ratchet and a regular ratchet. You can use a regular ratchet also without the flex head. Ball peen hammer, 17 millimeter wrench, 13 millimeter wrench, extension of 3/8, can be shorter or longer, 17 short 3/8, 17 long 3/8, 16 3/8, 15, and also a 13, 12, 10 long and short, and preferably lights too, to see everything. And always use blaster or some sort of penetrating oil to get the bolts loose, or even for your exhaust hangers. And also, if you want to, you can use power tools. Sometimes they're hard to get up in there, but ratchets are preferred. Today we will be installing a C&L 4-inch single outlet exhaust on a F-150 2.7 EcoBoost. Step 1, take out your flange, both sides bolts. Grab a ratchet with a 13 millimeter socket and get on the back side of it. I highly recommend some sort of penetrating oil, especially on exhaust. Step 2, you're going to remove your hangers that are bolted into the frame. 10 millimeter socket. I'm going to be using a impact driver on these. You can also use a ratchet. Step 3, take your clamp off. It's usually a 13. I unfortunately had to cut mine, but it's a 13 and a ratchet for the clamp. Goes to the flex pipe right here. Step 4 is to remove your pipe, your immediate pipe, and get that out of the way. Let your muffler hang, and then go back to the over the axle to get rid of the body mounts. Not the body mounts. Next up, you'll be removing these two 10mm bolts for the back of your pipe. Next step is to take out your last bracket for the muffler. You can use a ratchet, 10mm, but I'm using a impact. Your next step is to take the exhaust out. It may take 2 people to do it. Go here, and your exhaust is out. Your next step is to put your pieces back in for the mounts for the exhaust. Make sure you have all your nuts and your bolts to put back in. The other bracket that goes over for the back part of the axle, over the axle part of the exhaust. Your next step will be put your pipe up and over into its clamp and its exhaust hanger. I would highly recommend to put your clamps on before sliding everything through. Next step is to put your exit pipe on the other pipe through the hanger. And then connect both pipes. Your next step will be take this muffler here, this muffler, you're gonna take it, you're gonna put it up against your pipe here, put her through. Right there, you're gonna take your intermediate pipe here and put it right through here. Your next step will be take the pipe here, connect it to this one. Make sure you put your clamps on, such as this here, over this side. And connect these 2 pipes. Like such. Your next step after you've connected the pipe, you're going to want to take you'll have a lock washer and 2 regular washers for the back side of the bolt. First, you're going to want to put just a washer and the bolt. We'll put her through both sides. Take your washer, put it on there, put your lock washer on, then your nut. And you're going to want to hand tighten it, make sure you have it completely seated on your exhaust flange, both sides. You want to get it as lined up as possible to your old flange so the bolts aren't going in crooked. Next step is you're going to want to get a 17 wrench and a ratchet with a 17 millimeter saw. You want to get in here as best as you can. And equally distribute the same amount of tightening on both sides so it sits center. And tight. Your next step will be to install your hanger that you get with the kit. Some trucks come with two exhaust hangers. You primarily want your second one. It fits much better than the first one. Gonna slide that through. Put your clamp on. Put that there. Take your nuts, put them on. Same with the flange where we just tightened up at. You want to have the nuts equally tightened, same length, so they sit right. They're both tight. Finger tight at least. Grab your ratchet. We'll be using a 15 to tighten them up. Next step will be tighten up these two clamps. There's this one and then that one there that you have to tighten up. Do not tighten up your back ones yet, so you can adjust your exhaust in the right position for the outlet. To your other clamp right here, tighten that one up. Always make sure they're easy to access. Put them in a spot it'll be easy to access for you. Your next clamp will be your other backside exhaust clamp. Make sure you get your pipe in the right spot that you want it to come out at. High or low, make sure it doesn't hit any of your body. Your last clamp will be back here. Slide her up on, make it easy access. Make sure your tip's where you want it to be for the outlet. Start tightening. And tight. Your next step will be putting on your tip with your clamp. Put your tip where you want it. You can put it farther out or in. I'm gonna leave mine a hair out, about right there. And then get your ratchet and tighten up your clamp. All good. Make sure you go back through and tighten up all your bolts. Make sure everything's tight.
All right, well, that's gonna wrap up my review and install of the C&L 4-inch single exhaust system with a polished tip and side exit for the 2015 to 2020 2.7 liter EcoBoost F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.